Hey, I'll check with homework. Hey, I put some pocket doors in my basement when I just finished it recently. I want to show you a problem I'm having with one of them. So I put thicker solid wood doors in. This is 1 7/8 thick. It goes into a bathroom right here. This is a big walk-in bathroom with a shower. And of course it has a latch unit here that goes into a little plate here. I'm just having issues with this working right. And before I cut this out of the door, I wish I would have taken a board and installed this on a dummy board and learned how these are really unreliable. I would have done something a little bit different. Not sure what I would have done, but I certainly wouldn't have cut the door that I spent all this time and effort to put in as a pocket door. So of course these have an outside slat here so I can use a little washer or something. And the problem I'm having is if someone was to lock it from the inside, I couldn't get in. These are really unreliable, especially on the 1 7/8 inch doors. Most doors are 1 3/8 inch thick, but the thicker door makes this a little more flimsy. There's little pins in there that don't quite connect. So before you're doing a pocket door, I would suggest don't cut the door, cut a piece of scrap lumber, test it first. And I'll show you another video of 2 more doors that worked out really well. They're thinner doors and we didn't have the same problem. Thanks, bye.